This video is an introduction to a day at the track at the NCM Motorsports Park in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Bowling Green, Kentucky has been home to the Corvette manufacturing plant since 1981. The NCM Motorsports Park is associated with the National Corvette Museum. Even if you are not a Corvette fan, you may remember the sinkhole that damaged several Corvettes back in 2014. The museum is now restored, and we were there to attend the 24th anniversary celebration. One of the events that week included the opportunity to get our Corvette out on the track. For this track event, we were driving our base model 2013 Chevrolet Corvette. Here are a few performance figures for the 2013 base model. The LS3 engine generates 430 horsepower. Only 4 seconds are needed to reach 60 miles per hour. The reported top speed is 190 miles per hour. The NCM Motorsports Park offers several options to get on their track. On this day, the park was offering their high-performance driving introduction event. This is intended for beginners, and since this was our first time, it was perfect for us. These events do require a vehicle to be in good mechanical condition. Other than that, it has few restrictions. Passengers are allowed to ride along, no helmets are required, and it's open to any vehicle. Here are a few features of the event. First, there's a brief classroom instruction for the drivers. 3 groups of 3 to 5 cars go out on the track at the same time, with a lead car driven by a professional driver. There are 4 laps per session, lasting about 20 minutes. Average of highway speeds. This varies by the group of cars. Some laps reach top speeds over 100 miles per hour, some didn't. Each track session consists of the lineup, staging, the 4 laps themselves, and the return to the pits. The lineup. This is where each car will get in line behind the lead driver. If there are a lot of cars that day, you may have to wait for your turn to begin. Staging is when each group waits for their turn to enter the track. The groups are spaced out on the track, so each group can usually run at their own pace without interfering with the other groups. Your 4 laps typically begin slower as the lead driver evaluates the group's abilities. If the group appears to be keeping up easily, the next few laps will offer more of a challenge. However, if 1 or 2 of the cars are struggling, your session may seem a little slow. Even if your laps are a little slow, it still offers a good opportunity to practice hitting the apexes around the corners, shifting gears at the right time, and the all-important braking. Especially on your first session, those 4 laps might fly by, and before you know it, it's time to return to the pits, where you can get in line to do it all over again. Here is a video clip of a full lap to give you an idea of what it is like to get on a track. I hope you enjoyed this video. The experience was amazing, and we will definitely be back.